So about 4 years ago, the most incredible truck came into my life and I ended up purchasing it. This truck happens to be my 2004 Chevy Avalanche. We ended up purchasing this truck in 2017. I forgot the month, I think it was around December, for $2,600, something around there. And so far, I've had this truck running as strong as it possibly can. It's been through so many different things in its lifetime, from a complete engine rebuild to a complete makeover. Now there's only one more thing left to do in the future of these builds, and it is to completely restore the entire truck. Ground up, chassis, everything taken apart and gone. We're gonna make it into a complete shell, and we're gonna build it to the point that it needs to be so it can run like the original truck as it came out of factory. Back in 2004, when they first came out with this truck was supposed to be a crossover between an SUV and a truck. They are supposed to be a family enjoyment vehicle. It has the versatility of the SUV with the performance of the truck. These trucks are amazing. They're perfect in every way, shape, or form. In the beginning, they weren't so popular, but nowadays they are. For those of you who have followed me time after time when I started building this truck, you guys have seen the transformation that me and this truck have both went through together. This truck has first started out as old, rusty, faded. Everything was just going wrong with the truck until I put my magic touch on the truck. Since purchasing this truck, it has been a huge blessing. It has brought all of my stuff from Jersey to Florida in the trailer, did 3 trips back and forth, and performed the way I expected it to perform. This truck is the most amazing thing I've ever owned, and I'm never getting rid of it. That is the plan. This truck has gone through so many projects and makeovers in its past. One, as you can see, my entire cladding is completely black. How did it get black, you say? I used the Eastwood Restorer plastic resurfacer, and that resurfaced my entire truck. Now, I did run out of one can, so as you can see, the top bed cover, it just rained. It's still kind of faded in one of the bed covers. Got to get another one, and I'm going to do that as soon as I can get it. The truck has been through so many other things as well, such as the engine rebuild, brake lines, fuel lines just recently, fuel pump. So many more have been in there, but the biggest thing that it's been through was an entire heart rebuild, meaning the engine. During the engine rebuild, I had ended up making so many friends at the head shop, and those friends are from Headmasters in New Jersey. If you haven't seen those videos, I will leave links in the description for every one of these videos that have been created so you guys can see it firsthand. I remember the first video I ever made with this truck, and it was cleaning out the entire interior. When I bought this truck, it smelled like weed. It was in the most terrible shape ever, dirty as heck, and I couldn't have my vehicle like that. So I'll leave a link in the description to that video. I ended up removing the entire interior, cleaning it out. Then one thing led to another. Instrument cluster broken, and so many little other problems, such as the huge rust spot that was here in this little panel. That's how I met Peter. During my time with meeting Peter, he allowed me to film, and it brought on the most epic transformation of my channel. During that time, my skills have advanced. I ended up focusing more on quality work when it came to building this truck out. Now, obviously, during this year, some of my quality may have dropped. That's because I'm doing videos every single day, so it's hard to kind of get that quality for videos every single day because it does take a lot out of you to plan and film. But as soon as 2022 rolls around, you're gonna see a lot more quality. Even though I had a lot of good times with this truck, we also had a lot of scary times as well. The first scary time was when the brake lines failed on me, going down a highway, pushing 70 miles an hour. How did I get it to stop? I have no idea. The second time that we had a bad incident with this truck was after I was fixing those brake lines and the lift ended up collapsing on me. The concrete gave way and the truck almost fell on top of me, but we did save my life and the truck as well. One of the reasons why I could never get rid of this truck is because it has helped us out through so many things. The versatility of this vehicle has helped me bring a lot of lumber, a lot of drywall, as well as also throw away a lot of material and garbage that I did not need. Second reason is it tows like hell. It pulled so much weight coming down from Jersey to Florida without a problem. Most of the problems that happened with this avalanche was due to age and neglect from the previous owners. They took it off-roading, a lot of mud went in there. Due to the winters up north, it's caused a lot of corrosion on the frame, on the body, and causing a lot of damage. Another big thing about this avalanche is it had brought me a huge community of lovers for this vehicle. I have never imagined a day when my channel would grow to the point that it is today. Now, obviously, the channel is supposed to grow a lot more, and I'm looking forward to that, and I know it will. But I am very grateful for the followers that this truck has brought me. Just when you think the journey of this truck is finally over, that's where you're wrong. We just have to figure out what we're gonna do, but there is more to this journey. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this quick episode I made on the truck for my love and appreciation for it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button down on this video, and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will see y'all later. Peace. Whoosh.